Welcome to the Customer Experience News, a place for support leaders to learn about products, updates, and releases from tools that are building solutions for customer support, success, and growth. January kicked off with the 2026 Consumer Electronics Show, primarily to showcase products, while there were many agentic and generative AI advancements that could either benefit or affect your customer's experience. And today, we're going to talk about the evolution of voice AI and how it relates to customer support. But first, a quick word from our sponsor. This podcast is sponsored by Rush to Resolution. When support volume becomes difficult to manage, customer retention drops, or you need a scalable operational strategy, Rush to Resolution organizes, prioritizes, and optimizes your customer support operations. They deliver both strategic guidance and implementation to match where you are and where you are going. Visit rushtoresolution.com to build that scalable customer experience your company deserves without adding headcount. Now, let's dive into the news. At CES 2026, voice AI was a support-driven focus, evolving from basic commands to agentic, context-aware companions that could redefine customer support. Imagine support that's not a helpline or a chat window, but it's embedded in your car, your TV, your glasses, anticipating needs, handling tasks autonomously, and responding with emotional intelligence. Here's how these innovations signal a new era of ambient support. SoundHound's agentic voice commerce puts AI in vehicles. TVs order food for you, book reservations, or pay for parking without apps or screens. This means agentic actions in everyday devices. This shifts support from reactive, like asking for help in a chat, to proactive. Your car could automatically schedule a service appointment based on openings in your calendar, reducing that customer effort. The second CES story comes from Kardome. They launched on-device processing with voice AI, targeting self-service and noisy environments. So think you're in a store wearing AI glasses and you ask out loud about product details or comparisons, getting answers from your glasses, even if you're in a crowded and noisy store. And because it's an on-device service, this reduces data leaks and cloud delays. Support becomes portable and offline. Support's role might look like maintaining support information and product workflows that sync with devices as they come into the store. Third, Transcarent introduces health agentic AI that handles end-to-end tasks. So think elderly family members are able to use this technology to schedule appointments, triage health symptoms through conversational guidance, and even help them remember past interactions to prompt follow-up actions. The follow-up prompting is called the Total Recall Memory Engine, and I'm all for that. As a concerned son from my aging parents, I'd love to know exactly what the doctors said and not the recap that my parents thought that they remembered. While you may not be in the automotive, wearables, or health industry, what these agentic updates mean at a broader level is that people, young and old, are getting more comfortable with AI conversations. If your industry leverages phone support or it has an audible component to it, agentic workflows will introduce a new layer of ambient solutions that go beyond your AI chat just summarizing information from your knowledge base. Voice AI is acting as an always-on advocate, blending self-service with human-like intuition. And in SaaS terms, this could reduce churn by making support invisible and effortless, embedded in that third living space, meaning cars, homes, and wearables. The companies that are shipping agentic voice AI are asking, how do we proactively support customers where support becomes invisible? So what does ambient support look like in your industry? All right, we have headlines from Zendesk and HubSpot, Gorgias, Guru, Notion, Pluno, Dixa, and HappyFox. Our first headline is for Zendesk users. There's an update in HubSpot's Q4 Marketplace releases that I found all the way at the bottom. They launched a two-way sync with Zendesk to maintain a real-time update of users and organizations. While this does sync ticket data, this latest update in December has been reported to not sync ticket replies or activities. TikTok shops are gaining advanced automations with Gorgias. You can now incorporate TikTok shops into your rules and macros, and this means triggered actions, applied conditions, and automated responses. Between December and January, Guru launched a number of partner updates and sunset-specific features. If you're a Guru user, you'll want to hear this one. First, Salesforce Knowledge and Pylon can be used as sources in Guru. Second, Asana permissions are inherited rather than established in Guru. Third, regarding product deprecations, the Guru mobile app was sunset on December 19th and public cards were sunset on December 1st. If you use Guru to manage any public-facing content, be sure that your marketing site doesn't direct people to any public Guru cards, or your support macros do not send public Guru knowledge. Notion agent can now build forms in seconds. So if you're managing internal knowledge or your public articles in Notion, think about how you can develop forms for bug reports, feature requests, customer feedback, product surveys, employee surveys, or offsite location requests. Pluno, AI support agents for complex and technical tickets, launched AI-powered support quality assurance in December. Configure your QA criteria, and Agent Comparison View offers performance overview for each person. Dixa, a platform for consumer brands, recently launched MIM, the AI agent that can understand images, and if users are complaining about bugs, MIM can prompt to provide an image from the customer. It'll also gather data from images such as serial numbers. For Intercom users, they saw a similar release of Fin Vision around mid-2025 that's a similar feature to this. For our last update today, HappyFox launched Autopilot, which is a library of AI agents for customer service and support that take actions across your workflows. If you currently experience AI agent limitations in your current tech stack, this might be the operational boost to get you past those limitations. You can find direct links to these updates on our website at cx-news.com. Thanks for watching or listening to Customer Experience News. You can find us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Spotify, and Instagram. Have a great day and a productive week. Bye, everyone.